Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Piano course is probably one of the most rewarding investments you can make in yourself, offering a gateway to a world of musical expression and personal fulfillment that transcends age and experience. Whether you're a complete beginner dreaming of playing your favorite songs or an intermediate player looking to refine your technique and expand your repertoire, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to unlock your musical potential and embark on a lifelong journey of learning and enjoyment. Number 5. ALFRED'S Self-Teaching Adult Piano Course. Discover a new, fun, and easy method to teach yourself piano. This course is designed for adults who want to learn at their own pace. Get everything you need to start playing right away. The course includes a comprehensive book and access to online audio resources. You control your learning journey. This self-teaching method allows you to progress as quickly or as slowly as you like. Learning piano has never been this enjoyable. We've made the process engaging and fun, so you'll stay motivated. Begin your musical adventure today. With this course, you'll be playing your favorite tunes before you know it. What we like. This is the new, easy, and fun way to learn piano. It's designed specifically for adults. If you're looking for a relaxed and enjoyable learning experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The book is excellent at covering the most basic rudiments of the piano, from posture to finger position to basic note reading in both clefs. This book includes explanatory text with each page, written exercises you can do right in the book to reinforce note reading and chord determination, as well as a mountain of songs. This book has 191 pages, so it does cover that. It looks daunting, but it explains it in easy-to-understand language, and you work up to the more complicated stuff as you go. Number 4. ALFRED'S Teach Yourself Piano Book and Audio. Unlock your musical potential with this comprehensive guide. It's everything you need to begin your piano journey right now. This book and online audio package is designed for beginners. You'll learn the fundamentals of piano playing easily and effectively. From essential techniques to your first songs, all the necessary information is provided. The accompanying audio reinforces your learning. Join countless others who have successfully learned to play with our trusted method. This series makes learning accessible and rewarding. Don't wait any longer to pursue your dream of playing the piano. This is the perfect starting point for any aspiring musician. What we like. This course provides everything you need to start playing immediately. It's perfect for absolute beginners who want to get hands-on quickly. If you're eager to start making music without delay, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a great beginner piano book. It starts with the basics and gradually introduces new concepts. The book is well organized and easy to follow. The exercises are clear and concise. I love the song selection in this book. It includes a variety of popular tunes that are fun to play. Number 3. Meridee Winter's Chord Crash Course Piano Book. Ever dreamed of playing the piano? This book is designed for you, whether you're an older beginner or an adult looking to learn. Mastering chords is the key to playing your favorite songs. Our method makes it simple and enjoyable to learn. Take control of your learning journey. This comprehensive guide allows you to teach yourself at your own pace. Specifically crafted for adult learners and those starting later in life. You'll find the approach engaging and effective. Don't wait any longer to start making music. Begin your piano adventure with this easy-to-follow course. What we like. This book focuses on chords, making it ideal for older beginners and adults. If you want to understand chord progressions and play songs with a solid harmonic foundation, this is a great choice. What people say. The keyboard is a full-size 88-key weighted hammer action, which mimics the feel of an acoustic piano. It comes with a built-in metronome and a sustain pedal, essential tools for practicing. The app integration is seamless, offering interactive lessons and feedback on your playing. Number 2. Teach Yourself Visually Piano. Unlock your musical potential with Teach Yourself Visually Piano. This guide offers a clear, visual approach to learning the keyboard. Start your piano journey today. Follow along with easy-to-understand, step-by-step instructions. Our visual aids make complex concepts simple. You'll be playing your favorite tunes in no time. From understanding the keys to reading music, we cover all the fundamentals. Build a strong foundation for your musical education. It's never been easier to learn. Learn to play popular songs with our simplified arrangements. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating beautiful music. This method is designed for quick and enjoyable progress. This comprehensive guide is perfect for beginners. Discover the joy of playing the piano with a method that's both effective and engaging. Start your musical adventure now. What we like. Learn piano visually with this easy-to-follow guide. It's perfect for those who learn best by seeing rather than just reading. If you prefer clear diagrams and a step-by-step approach, this is the ideal resource. What people say. Looks to be very readable and a good review for previous or new piano students. I am a visual learner and I like having the pictures to refer to. He says the book is really easy to understand and puts things very simply in a visual way. Number 1. ALFRED'S Teach Yourself Blues Keyboard Book and Audio. Ever wanted to play the blues? This comprehensive guide makes it easy to start. Learn everything you need to know to play the blues right now. This package includes a book and online audio to get you playing. It's designed for beginners, providing all the essential knowledge. Stop dreaming and start playing. With this method, you'll be able to perform blues music quickly and confidently. ALFRED'S Teach Yourself series is renowned for its effective learning methods. This volume focuses specifically on the exciting world of blues keyboard. Access the accompanying audio online to hear the music and play along. This integrated approach ensures a complete learning experience. From basic chords to soulful melodies, you'll cover all the key elements of blues keyboard playing. Get ready to impress with your new skills. What we like. This course is dedicated to teaching you the blues on the keyboard. If you're a fan of blues music and want to learn its specific techniques and feel, this is the perfect specialized guide for you. What people say. The keyboard is full-size and touch-sensitive, allowing for dynamic playing. It comes with a built-in metronome and recording function, which are great for practice. The included songbook has a good selection of beginner-friendly pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.